በእደ ዮሐንስ ተጠምቀ ኢየሱስ ናዝራዊ በእደ ዮሐንስ ተጠምቀ ኢየሱስ ናዝራዊ ሰማያዊ 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 ኢየሱስ ናዝራዊ ሰማያዊ 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 ሰማያዊ
This is an exact replica of the face from the Shroud of Turin. While AI and other tools can enhance the image, they often lose some of the original expressions. To ensure authenticity, we superimposed the shroud face back onto the enhanced model and manually upgraded. What you see here